Hey guys, welcome back to another 3D printing video. In this video, we're going to be looking at PLA filament, and specifically by a company called Overture. So this is a company that offers different filaments. They got PLA, PETG, and ABS. And the cool part about it is that you can buy them in a pack like this. So you get 6 kilograms of PLA in multicolor. So they have other options also. But if you do a lot of printing and you're especially just starting out, this is a great kit to buy here. And you can actually enjoy your 3D printer without worrying about, how much filament you got left and, what kind of filament to buy or whatever. You buy this and, you enjoy it. So we're going to open this box up, look at the different colors we have, and then we're going to do quite a few prints and see how the prints turn out with this PLA that's made by Overture. All right, so it comes in a box that's, quite large here. So we got 6 rolls in there. All right, so they're individually boxed inside the box. All right, so it looks like we pulled them all up upside down. So these are the 6 boxes that it comes with. So it's nice to see them individually boxed. That way they don't get ruined in shipping, because I have had spools break on arrival, poor packaging and shipping. So when we open this up, we get a little coupon here. So if you sign up, you get 10% off plus a $10 coupon. Very interesting. On the very top here, it looks like a bed. That's weird. So it comes with a Build-Tech style sticky bed that looks like a 20 by 20, so 200 millimeter by 200 millimeter little bed here. Well, that's interesting. I wonder if each one comes with this. And here it looks like we have a little measuring tool with inches and millimeters. All right, so the package that we opened looks like has red PLA in it, and it's actually quite a nice looking red. It's more on the, like a brighter red. So we opened our first one. I'm kind of curious now. If we read right here, we can see this is space gray and it will have a build surface. So each one comes with the build surface. Okay. All right, guys. So I guess each one of them comes with its own build surface. I guess when you buy a pack, you kind of get a gift for each of the individual packs here. So this is space gray, and this one is looking really nice. I think this is like a shiny gray. And you can see the spools, guys. They're very nice spools. They have measuring here, how much grams you have left. And on the other side, we have meters. Lots of points around the spool to hook up the filament end, which always is a big deal. I definitely like that. All right, so I think we need to go a little quicker here. So this is black, regular black. White, very nice. Looks to be actually a little bit like an off-white. So this is light gray. So this is different from the space silver. This is more like a more monotone gray, which actually, guys, so far the colors are awesome. Like if you blend these colors together in prints, they will look super good, because all these are complementary colors to each other. White and gray and black, and then the red, very good color choices. And so for the last one, we have blue. So that's to throw in a little bit of flavor. And there we go, we got blue. And it's actually quite a nice blue. It's more of on the darker side, which I definitely like. I don't really like the lighter ones. This is all the colors we get. So we get blue, gray, white, and we get space gray, red, and black. So if you're wanting to get a bundle of filaments, this is a great choice here. I mean, just the color choices are really good. So let's open up this space gray here first. I think I'm really gonna like this color. Yeah, that looks awesome. Look at that color, guys. That's a really nice color. Man, these spools really feel premium. Look at the build on this thing. It's got really nice structure build. So it looks like Overture is really doing a good job here and giving us a quality product for a very good price. Very nice. All right, so we're gonna start with some printing here. I don't know if it's gonna be possible, guys, but I want to try and print in each one of these for you, so you can at least, you know, see what to expect. And as much as, you know, I don't want to print myself a ton of benchies, I think a benchy would be a good compromise to print in all the different colors here, so you guys can kind of see what to expect and how it looks and shines and whatnot else. So plus we can kind of see the technical aspects of the filament reacting to overhangs and, you know, how the finish looks and things like that. So I think a benchy would be great to test filament in and kind of give you the idea of what to expect out of the look that you'll get out of each color here. All right, and the printer we'll be using, if I can get it in here, is the Ender 3 with the Wham Bam bed here, and my super terrible installation of that, but it doesn't matter, it still works, because the Ender 3 gives us really nice prints. And not only that, a lot of people have this machine or any kind of Creality which has, you know, basically the same output for all of them, at least in quality. And so this will kind of represent the filament really good, and, you know, how the majority of people will see it. All right, so let's go ahead and install our space gray in here. We're really excited about the space gray. I think this is gonna be an awesome color. So we're gonna have ourselves a bunch of benchies, but I think it'll be worth it. We're really gonna see how this filament looks. All right, let's power the machine on. So let's give it a little purge. So it looks like we had yellow there before. All right, so it looks like our space gray is coming out. So let's start that 3D benchy. So it appears to be really good off the bed. All right guys, so it looks like we started printing and everything's fine, so we're gonna go ahead and let it print. And I got a little GoPro here, so we're gonna get some hopefully nice time lapses, and then we'll see how it turns out. All right guys, so the benchy is done and it looks really good. All right, so let's take a closer look at this benchy. So it turned out quite well overall. There's something a little bit funny here in the front. I'm not sure exactly what that is. So there is like a little line that goes through here, but that's not a bump or anything. That's just discoloration, which is kind of interesting. Color here, silver, is very revealing, especially the one that's shiny like this. And you can see it's got a really nice look to it. So we're gonna have a little montage of up close of all the benchies once they get all printed, and you guys can see a lot better of how everything looks. But overall, this filament is very nice and very pleasant. We did very well with overhangs, and all the details are spot on. So it takes about 3 hours to print each benchy. We got to do 5 more, so I'm gonna go ahead and start printing them out, and then we'll take a really close look at each one. All right, and that is the Overture PLA filament, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed that little montage of multiple benchies that we printed here. And you know, this took a little while, and also we did a really special benchy here. If you don't know how this is made, check out my video with the mosaic palette too, which is in that corner over there, you can see. And this is one of the modes that it has, which is called random, where it picks random up to 4 filaments and just kind of randomize them. And this is a 120% benchy, but you can see how nice that filament is sitting there. It's bonded beautifully together, and the colors just work so good together. I really like this filament, and the space gray really makes things pop too. So overall, as you can see, there's no issues with this filament. There's no funny like stringing or overhangs or anything weird like that. So it seems to work really good and print beautiful models here, as you can see. So Overture has a few options. You can either buy individual colors, you can buy a set like this, which obviously saves money when you buy a whole set. But if you liked any of these colors, or you want to get the set, I'm going to leave some links in the description, so check those out. I don't think you'll be disappointed with this filament. It does the job, and it does it beautifully. And my favorite color is probably this blue here. This is such a nice blue. I really like how this blue looks. But also the space gray. The space gray is awesome. So if you want to get any of those two, you could separately. So yeah guys, hopefully you enjoyed this overview of the Overture PLA filament. So if you did, then hit that like button. Also guys, go check out my Ender 3 videos. I have a few videos on it with upgrades like this Wham Bam plate and all the other little upgrades that this thing has got so far. And if you're really interested in multicolor printing, check out the palette 2 by Mosaic over there of taking your prints to the next level with multicolors. So if you enjoyed this video, then hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this and you're not subscribed, then hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.